Yo, 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 here we go. Antivirus program on my mental computer. I watch the sleep mode program. Yo.
Okay.
I cannot tell you what I gotta be mad about. Something in the joke. I cannot tell you what I got. Be mad about something in the joke. Terror out antivirus program and my mental computer, man, get along. Man, this is why I have in my mind. Man, this is why my mental computer is not full prop. Yeah. Program my mental computer with the wrong software. Program. It's time to program it with the wrong software. I will program my mental computer with the wrong software. I will infect it with Trojan horse. My mind is infected with a horse. I know it's infected with it. Yeah. Don't you we dollars, he's on the meeting. I will virus program on my mental computer. Fitted G's like a man top like WEP. It's the Wi-Fi network. Makes me wanna cause a security. If you wanna government a Wi-Fi network, may be a vulnerable, unsecure network. Wanted a thing like a WEP, self-limiting beliefs like a WPA2. I will even know it's like a WPA. Create my own WPA Wi-Fi network. Unsecure Wi-Fi is safe like a virus. Unsecure Wi-Fi is safe like a virus. Break into the Wi-Fi network like a virus. Yo. Unsecure like a virus. Yo. I will get mad at virus program on my mental computer. Program. Don't you even think about it. I hate the antivirus program. Don't you want to say what of me? I said it. Antivirus program, I said it. Listen to me, cause I wanna I said it. I will the antivirus program in my mental computer. Now the freaking mental computer the computer of the mind. Where the computer of the mind. Wrong software, man, program it with the wrong software.